Oh no! Oh, that's just a quick ride.
Yeah.
4 versus 25 grams. Why? This is going up now. I think somebody's using it.
Yeah.
Without indoors.
Yeah.
Maybe there's a chime. No.
Ei,
Built in 1984, modernized in 2006, A4507, B1 SY1699. Turning 35 years old during this year, 2019. It's going to be inspected in 2020, the next year. 7 floors. Too bad the higher one was modernized.
Yeah.
Yeah. This should also have been original. So.
Yeah.
But it's still without inner doors, luckily.
Yeah.
And it also has a stop button there. Very simple modernization. And the interior was not even upgraded. Fourth floor. Does it have a stairs or function? No.
Olitteko alas menossa?
Joo.
Back to floor 1.
Ja. Riktigt bara kiva inspektera med det på skillnad.
No pictures of this because it's badly modernized. Or it's still without the doors, but still.
That's